हेलो बच्चों। तो चलो हम लिखते हैं ABC एंड 1 2 3। तो चलो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। A A A for apple. A A for apple. Green color. Green color. B B B for ball. B B for ball. Orange color. B for ball, orange color. C C C for cat. C for cat, yellow color. C for cat, yellow color. D D D for dog, black color. D for dog, black color. One red color. One. Two blue color. Two. Three green color. Three. Four yellow color. Four yellow color. Four. A B C and D. 1 2 3 and 4.